Hello.
Oh, sorry to keep you waiting.
Okay.
So I was just referring to the PDF. So I'm not too sure where obviously you have ascertained it. So what I'll need to do is I will need to feed this along to our technical department and our dealerships to see what their input is on this, because as a customer care team, we don't have access to any of this sort of information.
Well, why would you be contacting the dealerships? It's an MG UK matter now. Psych passed that information onto MG UK, who have been implementing that. You've been implementing that procedure. You've been pushing that onto the dealers. It's your issue. It's not a dealer issue. It's your issue. It's not a dealer issue. So I don't know why you want to pass it on to a dealer. This is MG UK's doing, MG UK's corruption. So I want you to deal with it. I want some proper answers.
So at this moment in time, I wouldn't be able to give you a proper answer, just because I would need to feed this back to our head office.
Yeah.
Because we're not too sure on our end where this information has.
But it's the
essentially came from.
It's the information that you're relating to your customers. You're not repairing X-Power vehicles, and also this stands for the LKA issue as well. I do have more documentation coming regarding the LKA issue, and a very similar stance on that from MG UK or Psych. So because the 28 days is up regarding the court case with my vehicle, when are you going to get some answers to me, please?
I wouldn't be able to give you a time frame, unfortunately.
Yeah, but this is what you said before. But now, when I sent you that document, you were straight onto it. So
again, I would need to feed it to our head office department first, and they would need to look into this.
Can I speak with your head office?
They don't have a dedicated number.
I thought so. This is exactly what you did before. You're being so deflective. You're being so deflective about these issues, which is basically what you've done with the dealerships. I don't really know if they're involved in this or it's just what you're instructing them. It's definitely something it's one or the other. I don't know if they're complicit in it, and if they are, then that's even further to the corruption that's going on. So go on, what are you going to do?
I was going to say, if I could take your number.
Yeah.
Then once our head office has reviewed it, I can get someone from our head office department to get in contact with you to discuss this.
Okay, thank you.
If that's okay, yeah?
Well, yeah, I need something, but I need it very, very quickly because
okay.
This is.
Can I just grab your number, sorry?
Yeah, 0.
503.
And I'll just.
Perfect.
I am a YouTuber, so I will be relating this very, very soon.
Got you, okay.
I will be relating this very, very soon. So if it's not today, I would suggest that you get something back to me tomorrow, because this can no longer wait.
Okay.
So if you don't think that's likely, then let me know.
Okay, no worries.
Do you think you'll be able to?
I can try and get you a response as soon as possible.
Right. Do you reckon it might be tomorrow? Because the thing is,
I have had communication from our head office They've said that the document that you do have is not a process that MG UK are currently asking our dealership network to conduct, as we investigated multiple X-Powers at MG headquarters and have deemed the vibration to be characteristics of the vehicle. The vibration does not affect the drivability or safety of the vehicle.
This is what you told me before that document came out. Come on. Don't be silly.
But this is all I've got from our head office, unfortunately.
Well, now the proof is out there. And it's not just me who has got this. This has been leaked further. It's not just me and a couple of owners now.
Yeah.
So I'm not standing for that when the information that you've relayed to the dealer that I'm with is exactly what it says on that document. So, as what you know, there's been a bit of huff and puff here and there, but it's basically what you are telling the dealers. So I don't accept that statement. I do not accept that at all. We've already.
Okay, what I'll do then.
Okay.
If I've got your number now.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll forward it along to our head office, and I'll get one of them to be in contact with you as soon as they can. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. Thank you.
Can you put something down on an email as well, please?
Of course, yeah. I'll follow up on your email that you sent to us.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
No worries. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, can I have parts, please?
Yeah, you're speaking to Pat.
Yeah, can you tell me if an order has been put in place? I'll give you some numbers.
Well, who for and what? What, by somebody, a garage or yourself or?
No, yourself, Stoneacre, Rochdale.
Right, well, did you bring the car in to have it done?
Yeah, the car's with you, yeah.
All right, you need to speak to the service department. They'll have a record of it, I'm afraid.
Well, you're the parts, yeah? You'll have a record of what you've ordered, surely.
No, but they have the relevant details of what's been ordered for the vehicle. They'll be able to tell you, see.
Well, I've got the numbers in front of me, so if you just want to check it that way. I've got the part numbers.
I'm not right. Okay. What car is it, first of all, please?
ME23.
Sorry. Is it Fiat or MG? Because they're two makes of cars we do.
MG.
Right, MG. Right. Okay. 1 second. What's the part number?
116 34 105.
105. Something to do with the mountain, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, that's it. 1 second. Is it Mr. Morton?
Yeah.
Yeah, the part should be here in the morning.
Oh, so I don't need to go through the others. You've actually ordered them, yeah?
Yeah, the parts, there should be, well, there's about 4 items ordered for you through MG.
Yeah, they end in 662, 888 and 111.
Yeah. It's
That's
all
fine.
ordered for you, and they should be in the morning.
Yeah, that's fine, thank you very
So
much.
the best thing to do is, what I can advise you now is, if you ring and check with the service department in the morning,
Yeah.
they will be able to tell you when they're going to do it and all the rest, yeah?
No, I understand they're getting on with it, yeah, it's not that, it's just that I had a call from MG UK who said that they're not implementing this repair that you're doing. So I just needed to verify that you were actually ordering the parts and doing it, which you are.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Yeah, all done, sorted.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, all sorted for you.
Thank you very much.
All right, fella.
Thank you, mate.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
now.
Bye.
Bye.
Case dismissed.